Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel.
I'm YamPuff, and I create coloring books, cute chibi art, and coloring resources for artists. Alright, so today we'll be taking a look at my complete best-selling color charts collection. These books were created with the artist and colorist in mind. I use them myself on a daily basis. I'm going to be taking a quick look at each book so you can see the difference between them all, which will hopefully help you decide which one is best for you. This video is fully timestamped if you want to jump right ahead to the book you're interested in. Color Charts Color Collection Edition went viral thanks to a video on Instagram, which I've unfortunately lost track of, but they were lovely enough to credit me and get my book out there. It has a 4.5-star rating on Amazon with over 800 reviews. This one is really useful. I have most of my markers recorded in it. You can record 45 colors on each page and record over 2,000 colors altogether. This Color Charts is my newer edition of the same book. Based on some feedback I received from the original, there are 36 swatches per page. The swatches are bigger, and overall the feel is roomier. This guide can fit in your purse or backpack. You can bring it with you to the art store to swatch colors, and it's just a really handy resource to check how your colors look on the page when you're coloring. Color Charts Mini is the cutest little thing. It will fit literally anywhere. Your bag? Check. Your pencil case? Check. Your pants pocket? Check. My sister stole this one from me and records her calligraphy markers and pens in it. It's really just the cutest little thing, and it can still hold about 1,000 color swatches in it. Now this one is the real OG. I made this book after some of my artist resources started selling really well on Etsy. I gathered them together and created this resource for artists and colorists. It's filled with charts of eyes, hair, faces, clothes, and other random items. You can use this book to practice your coloring skills without the stress of worrying that you'll ruin a nice page in a coloring book. It's also useful if you want to practice coloring blends. So if you found a really good combo for a certain skin tone, you could record them so next time you know exactly which colors to blend. It also includes some color wheels and color charts. It has a bit of everything. Color Charts Extra Large is exactly what it says on the tin, a very large version of Color Charts. You can see the difference between the three color charts here. Color Charts X Large has very large swatches and plenty of space for recording color names or notes. It's the color charts we know and love, just bigger. Due to the bigger swatches, you have more space for coloring in gradients of colors, as you can see here where I've recorded in my colored pencils. Now for the latest addition to the Color Charts family, Color Charts Artist Travel Edition. Now I really love this one, and it's kind of become my favorite, although I have to admit it has not sold well at all. So instead of swatches shaped like boring squares, the swatches are shaped like pencils, highlighters, gel pens, paint palettes, and ink bottles. Super cute and with a nice dotted background. I love the way these look when all swatched in. You can color in each swatch according to type, like coloring in the pencils with colored pencils, but you can also mix and match. Finally, Color Charts Artist Edition, a larger version of the same concept with loads of fun shaped swatches. You could use this book as a habit tracker or saving tracker, or of course you can just use it as intended as color charts for swatching. The pages are all lightly dotted, with extra dotted pages at the end, so you can use this book as a bullet journal, or color resource, or both. Alright, well, hopefully this video has given you a better idea of my color chart series. Now, as these books are self-published through KDP on Amazon, they do have the typical Amazon paper. It's a pretty standard paper, and if you're going to use markers, I do recommend putting a sheet of bleed-proof paper behind the page to prevent any marks from getting on the next page. I have used colored pencils, alcohol-based markers like Copics and Pro markers, gel pens, Tombos, highlighters, and crayons. They all look really nicely on the page. The only thing that doesn't really work is paint, which does make the paper buckle. If you like thicker paper, various versions of color charts are available on my Etsy shop, which is linked below, so you can download and print them on your preferred paper. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please like the video to support my work and subscribe to my channel if you have not already for more coloring book content. If you need coloring pages, I have a whole library of absolutely free coloring pages at yampuff.com. Happy coloring!